In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an eBay Shop subscription. If you've decided the shop plan no longer fits your needs, I'll walk you through the exact path on eBay and share a few tips so you can cancel confidently without surprises. Make sure you're signed into the correct eBay account you use for selling, and for the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser since some menus can be harder to find on mobile. Start on the eBay homepage. At the top of the page, move your cursor over your name or profile avatar to open the account menu. Don't click yet, just hover. When the menu appears, you'll see shortcuts related to your buying and selling. This hover reveals the link you need in the next step. If nothing appears, give it a second or try a quick page refresh. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to eBay's Account Hub, where you manage details like personal info, payments, and selling tools. Once the page loads, look for subscriptions. The wording is straightforward, and you may see it as a tab or link depending on your layout. Click Subscriptions to open your subscription management area. Here, eBay lists any active plans tied to your account, including your shop or store level, billing frequency, and renewal date. On the Manage Subscriptions page, locate your eBay shop plan and choose the option to cancel. eBay will guide you through a brief flow that may ask for a reason and might present alternatives like downgrading your plan. If your goal is a full cancellation, continue through the prompts until you reach the confirmation screen. Read any notes carefully. In most cases, cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle, and your shop benefits typically remain active until then. Pricing adjustments or credits are uncommon mid-cycle, so plan around your renewal date if timing is important. After you confirm, look for an on-screen message and an email acknowledging the cancellation. It's a good idea to save that email or take a quick screenshot for your records. You can return to the same subscriptions area to verify that your shop is marked as canceled or scheduled to end. If you don't see your shop listed at all, it may mean you're not subscribed on this account or the page needs a refresh. That's it. Hover over your name, open account settings, go to subscriptions, and cancel from the Manage page. Follow the prompts, review the timing, and keep your confirmation handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap up your eBay shop smoothly.